There's something wild happening behind Samsung's closed doors right now. The kind of development that could flip the entire smartphone industry on its head. Leaks say the Galaxy S26 series isn't just coming with faster performance or prettier screens. This time, it's about breaking limits that even Apple didn't expect to see cracked. And the craziest part, it's not even the phone's design or camera doing the talking. It's what's inside that's setting off shockwaves across the industry. Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back. Before we dive deeper into what Samsung's secretly cooking up, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that bell so you don't miss what's next. Trust me, this one's going to surprise you. So here's the deal. Samsung's new Exynos 26000 chip is shaping up to be a serious game changer. Early tests show it's 6 times faster in AI performance than Apple's A19 Pro. Chip 6 times faster, that's not a minor bump, that's a complete overhaul in how smart your phone can actually get. From image recognition and voice commands to real-time video editing, this chip could redefine what intelligent performance really means on a phone. And that's not even scratching the surface. Reports claim the Exynos 26000 packs a 15% faster CPU and a massive 75% GPU boost over last year's model. Basically, this thing's not just fast, it's furious. Against Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite, it's reportedly 30% quicker in AI tasks and 29% stronger in graphics. If those numbers hold up, Samsung's about to pull off something nobody saw coming, an Exynos comeback. Now, for years, Exynos was kind of the black sheep. Great on paper, underwhelming in practice. But this time, Samsung's taken a totally different approach. They've separated the modem from the main chip, something they've never done before, to give more room for the CPU, GPU, and NPU to breathe. That means more power, less heat, and far better efficiency. Add in Samsung's 10nm manufacturing process, and suddenly this underdog chip starts looking like a real threat to the big players. But that's not the only twist. Every new Galaxy S generation has its own secret codename, like S24's Eureka or S25's Paradigm. The S26, it's codenamed Miracle, and honestly, that's the most fitting name they could have chosen. It's like Samsung's quietly admitting that what they've pulled off here isn't just another upgrade. It's something that felt nearly impossible a few years ago. Now here's where things get really interesting. Samsung was reportedly working on up to 4 different S26 variants, including a Pro and an Edge version. But after seeing how the S25 Edge performed, those plans were scrapped. Instead, Samsung's sticking to the classic trio, the base S26, the S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. And speaking of the Ultra, yeah, that's where the fireworks really start. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature Samsung's new M14 OLED panel, not just brighter and smoother, but smarter. It brings true 10-bit color depth, which means over 1 billion color shades. Compared to the S25 Ultra's 8-bit panel with just 16 million colors, that's a massive leap. It's the kind of jump you don't just see, you feel it. Smoother gradients, no weird color banding, and skin tones that actually look like skin, not plastic. But it's not just for show. For content creators, photo editors, or even just people who want their Netflix sessions to look cinematic, this display could easily be the best in the game. Samsung's combining the 10-bit tech with their new co-display stack and privacy-focused hardware layer, meaning even at full brightness, your screen looks stunning without bleeding color or exposing private content from side angles. Now, about that small thing that's got everyone slightly nervous, the regional chip split. Samsung's bringing back its old dual-chip strategy. That means depending on where you live, your S26 might come with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite or the Exynos 26000, and even though rumors say the Ultra could ship globally with Snapdragon, some reports hint that Exynos might sneak into select regions again. That's either exciting or concerning, depending on where you stand in the Snapdragon versus Exynos debate. Still, all signs point toward one thing: Samsung's ready to deliver the most balanced, powerful, and efficient Galaxy lineup we've ever seen. Between the AI breakthroughs, the miracle codename, and that jaw-dropping display tech, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just looking like another flagship. It's looking like redemption. If all this plays out as leaks suggest, Samsung might finally do what we've been waiting for, not just promise the future, but build it.